What's going on, guys? So in today's video I'm going to show you all how to make a custom nameplate if you have a 3D printer. So you're going to come to this link. I'll leave the link in the description of the video or on the post on the Facebook group. So we're going to download, I'm going to do all this for Bamboo Studio since that's what most of the users have. If you have an Orca slicer, it's going to be pretty much the same for like any Cubic or Flash Forge. A little bit different if you want to design it in, say, Fusion, but this method works really well. So we're going to go ahead and open it. So we're going to open Bamboo Studio. Now this one is good for 28, 38, 48, 58, and 98 100 cases. So I'm going to change this to green so we can see it a little better. And the key feature with this one versus the one on the Facebook group is it has a flat back and it fits all sizes a little bit better. So we're going to click on the object, we're going to come to the text, we're going to click text, and we're going to type in built not bought. We're going to put it on there, and as you can see it's too big, so I'm going to change it to 14 points. And then I'll center it up. I'm going to make the thickness 0 and the embedded depth 2. And now you can see it's embedded, but now we need to change the color up. So I'm going to click back on here. Sorry. Click on the actual letters. And I'm going to go to color. I'm going to come in with the drop tool. I'm going to fill in all of the letters. And that's all there is to it. We'll go ahead and slice it. It's going to take about 30 minutes to print. It's going to cost you roughly 25 cents in filament for the black and green. That's if I have the correct prices and energy. But if your print has a little bit of an issue with quality, you can come over to quality and hit ironing topmost surfaces and play around with that setting, and then it'll give you a little bit smoother finish. But that's how we do it, guys.